Hello, my name is Mohammed and today I'm going to discuss about the practice questions for 11 plus. So move on to question number 1, which is the area of a rectangle. They are giving you the area of rectangle is 60 centimeter square. Its length is 8 meter. Find the width of the rectangle. So very simple questions, okay? The area of the rectangle. So there is a rectangle, okay, and the area equal to length time width. So the area they're giving you, which is 60, and the length they are giving you 8 meter, and times by width. So we need to find that width. So very simple, okay? So 60 divided by 8, which is equal to W, and if we simplify this one, the answer will be 7.5 meter. So this is the length 8 meter and the width is 7.5. If you times to get the area, which is 60. So it's very simple questions, okay? You simply divide by the length. And the same way, if the examiner asking about find the length, okay, and they are giving you the width, so you need to simply divide by width, which is 7.5, to get the length. Now move for the question number 2. This question is very important, and the question number 2 is a rectangular piece of a paper which has a length of 21 centimeter. Yeah. So there are question number 2. A rectangular piece of paper with length 21 centimeter and width 30 centimeter is folded diagonally in half and cut. Half and cut. What is the area of each triangle? So we need to find what is the area of each triangle. So this is the question, okay? So a rectangular piece of paper, okay? So you will take a piece of paper which is a rectangular. So it has a length which is 21 centimeter, okay? So I would say the length which is 21 centimeter. Look at this one. This is 21 centimeter, okay? So, and its width, okay? Width is, so this is 21 centimeter and the width is 30 centimeter. Is folded diagonally and diagonally in half and cut. So what I'm doing, okay, I'm just cutting diagonally, okay? So it makes two triangles basically, okay? Look at this one. This is one triangle and this is second triangle I cut. And they are giving you, okay, the length is what? 21 centimeter and the width is 30 centimeter. And we need to find the area of each triangle. So this one 30, so this one 30 as well. This one 21, so this one 21 as well. So how we can work out? Very simple, okay? So, what? The area of triangle is half time base time height. So the base is 21 and the height is 30. So look at this one. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 15 is 30. And 15 times 2 is 15 times 20 plus 1 times 15. So 15 times 2 is, which is 300, and 15 times 1 is 15. So it means the area for triangle will be 315 square for each triangle. So this is the answer. So examiner can ask the question with a different way, okay? So they may ask directly, okay, this is the triangle and find the area. But it says rectangular piece of paper, length is 21 and the width is 30 centimeter. Fold it diagonally, okay, in half and cut. So we make it half and cut. And what is the area for each triangle? So we just simply half base time height, and to get the answer 315 centimeter square. Now move for the question number 3. So the question number 3 is very interesting, very simple, but a bit tricky. So question number 3, which is question number 3, a rectangular field 150 meter wide. A rectangular field 150 meter wide required 800 meter of fencing. 800 meter of fencing to enclose it. How long is the field? How long is the field? So this is the question. So how you can work out this one? So very simple, a rectangular field, okay, which is 150 meter, okay, so we can make a field like that. This is a rectangle or field, and the width of the field, which is 150 meter, okay. Wide require 800 meter of fencing to enclose it. So it means we are putting a fencing, okay, enclose it, okay, all the way, okay. So we put the fencing here, all the way, okay. And how long the fencing? If they enclose for this rectangle, okay, which is 800 meter. Just recall my video which I made for area and perimeter, okay, and the perimeter means if you add all sides to get the perimeter. So the same as the 800 meter is a perimeter. So they already given you the perimeter, and you need to find out what? How long is the field? We need to find this one. This one. This is 150 meter of wide, so it means this is 150 meter wide as well. So the remaining will be, okay, how we can work out. So the total is 800 meter. Enclose it. Okay. So the total perimeter, which is 800. So 800 minus 150, which is 300. So the remaining 500 meter, which is comprised of these two lengths. So how many are the lengths? There are 2. Okay. So divided by 2. So it means 250 meter. So this one 250 meter and this one 250 meter. It's very simple and very easy question, but they are asking in a different way. Rectangular field 150 meter wide, require 800 meter of fencing of enclosed it. So 800 meter enclose it. It means the total length of this rectangular size of the field, which is 800 meter. And we know the how long is wide, 150 each. So we add both to get 300, subtract from 800 to get the 500, and divide by 2 to get the length of this field. So that's it for today. And if you like this video, please leave your comments. And secondly, I'm going to start live streaming in the next month. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.